Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, as I promised, I'm coming to you with a daily token analysis. The way these things work is that you go onto my daily show on Banter Plus, you see it and you leave a comment in there. And as you see here, you've done that already. And I'm just simply going to analyze most of the tokens. We don't really have a lot of time today either. But as I promised, I'm going to be back here. If you're new, I'm going to start doing much more live trading shows. We're going to have educational trading, educational content. And of course, we're going to have the daily token analysis from the daily shows on Banter Plus. If you don't know it, if you just stumble across this show, I am live with the best news from the past 24 hours. Daily updates, daily charts, daily trades. There's a link in the description to the Banter Plus show. That said, let's jump into it. Let's see what tokens we're looking at today. So really appreciate all of you. Yes, RUNE. Let's look at RUNE. Now we have by the way, we have a reversal here. So it's I might close my short. I thought New York is going to dump. We're still monitoring, as you see it in the show. You should never, ever short. The only reason why I'm doing it because that gives me a competitive edge on the competition. But other than that, you should not short it. Let's look at RUNE. In general, this is a long I gave on RUNE some time ago. In general, what I'm thinking about RUNE is that we do have a lot of liquidity. So I'm still thinking about a massive dump before we see the results on the election and before we start seeing all-time highs. It had a massive retrace, but this liquidity I'm not happy about. I would not be surprised if it would start pushing and then take these highs. Again, if we see a confirmation on the total market cap, we could see this start pushing, and then obviously that could be interesting. But for now, I'm not interested in taking a long position on RUNE. There is liquidity on top as well, as you see, but the bottom one is much more dominant. I'm not interested in taking any positions there. OP, let's look at OP. New York just opened, by the way, so we've got volatility. This is when we're gonna do these. Analysis as well around New York open or a little bit afterwards. OP. Great liquidity, both sides. I don't like this liquidity here. Maybe it's not even going to be taken, so we'll see. But I don't like the fact that it has a lot of liquidity here. If you want to see, it does have a massive trend liquidity on top. We could see a retrace all the way up here to this OB, which would be another 30% pump, which could be an interesting long opportunity if you think the market is going to go. This could be interesting. I am not interested in taking any positions now. If I were to take any, I would probably be looking at down here. So I would wait for this liquidity to be taken, and once that's taken, I would wait for a market structure shift and then a potential long from there. Let me go lower here. LVO, Lido, let's look at it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. And let me know in a comment if you like this. I really want to know if this makes any value in your day, or if you really like this, it helps you. If it does, please do let me know. So liquidity, don't like it. I'm not interested in taking. This is a massive sell-off. So if you look at this here, actually the market more and more looks like just confirming. Now I'm not stressing about this pump, but I don't like to short against the market. Like, it's not me who would go against the market. I do think that this here will hold on the total. This is New York high as well, 2.295. We'll see. We can get a retrace, which I said is going to happen. We could see a retrace up to the 2.33. But I am kind of stressing about this, of course. But again, it's only in the trading account for the WSOT. But in general, more and more I look at the market, the more and more I believe that we're going to see a push and then a rejection on most of the coins. That's what I'll be looking at. I'm not interested in buying right now, Lido as well. If it would come back, for some reason, if it would come back down to the local low 1.05-ish and then show a reaction from there, I would be interested in longing it all the way down up here to the 1.26, which would be about 20% pump. But now, right here, I'm not interested. Too much uncertainty at this stage. Enjoy your day, Petty, as well. I see you. That's awesome. Hassan, thanks for being here. Tao, of course. Tao is coming for you. Tau USDT. Now this looks, again, quite decent if you look at it from the higher time frame perspective, but we need to get a retrace back to the 50. This is actually going to be an incredible long if we get this long. This could be considered something like this is what I would be looking at. I think if we do come back for the 50, this will be an incredible long and opportunity. Until then, there is nothing to play here. there's nothing to play here, you know? So my problem is, yes, it does come back for the 50, but this level is just a liquidity inducement trap. Why? Because this did not break above the previous highs. And that means that this level is basically nothing here. The next level is down here at this region, down here about the 516-ish region. That could be interesting, even though if we don't come back 50, in the bull markets, a lot of times we don't come back. So that could be good, but I'm not, before touching the 515, I'm not interested in taking a position in here either. Sailor is 100% right. Well, I don't agree, and that's absolutely fine. Still selling. Did he lose? Okay, Simon's cat. I can't really analyze it here on TradingView, but I'm down. I'm down bad. I actually don't know where it is. Look at it. Oh, it's here. Cat. Okay, it's here. Oh no, I'm up. Oh, okay. Wow. No, I'm up. So I called it at around 300-ish mil market cap around here. I'm up 30% on it. Oh, I thought I was down. So I looked at it. I was down like, I called it around here, around 300-ish mil. And then we had a dump like 25-30%. And I thought it was down. But no, it seems like it has a massive pump, 70%. Decent. So I would definitely not buy into this right now. Like I would just wait for a little bit of cool off, especially because this is what I think the market is going to do. So if that happens, like obviously load up here. If not, I'm happy to miss this boat. Like I'm not pressured in it. Is day trading possible? It is possible. What's your background? Why should I listen? Because I'm a fucking goat. That's why you should. I'm from Spain. Nice. Tessie, Tasmania. Nice. Bome. Let's do it. But I'm not happy about doing it. What is my soul trade doing? It's probably killing me. It is killing me. It is killing me. I should not be shorting the market, but I'm still waiting for this. Still waiting for this rejection. If we break above here, I'm going to close it. Also for you guys, if we are going to break above this level here, I am going to close my position. So if we are able to close above here on the 15-minute chart, I'm probably going to consider closing. I don't think it's happening though. I don't think it's kind of stressing here because I'm going against the trend. But I don't think it's happening. I think we're going to come higher here. Look here. I think we're going to retest into here. Maybe we liquidate here, but we're not going to close above 2.198. And we're potentially going to come lower as I explained on the show. That's what I'm looking at now. Bomi, book up memes. Let's go. Daily. I don't like this. So I don't like this. This seems like artificially manufactured volume so exit liquidity can happen. I'm not interested. I'm just going to say that. I'm just simply not interested in buying into this. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just not. MOG, I actually had a lot of fun trading MOG. Like I made so much money on MOG in the past 15 days. I actually didn't realize how awesome it was. Let me just delete this here. So I was surprised how good it is. The market makers are at play here. Again, it's coming back for the 4-hour OB. I would not be interested in buying anything here. If it comes back, I would not short it either because it's kind of a reactive token, it seemed like. What I would be looking at though, and I will look at it, is to take a long position from down here. Like I will actually take a long position from down here from 18, 0 point, all the zeros, and then 18.8, 18.9. I will be interested in taking a long position here if we get a market structure shift. Until then, I'm just sitting on my hands, not interested to do anything. And that's it. That's it. Guys, if you like this, please let me know in the comment section that you like this. And if you want more of these, just make sure to go to the Banter shows, the Banter Plus shows, leave your comment after the show is done, and then these token analysis will come to your way. I think I'm going to go to Dubai and then I'm going to go to Cape Town, but I think we're going to have these live trading kind of shows where I'm just going to maybe light up a cigar here, maybe just a cigar here, you know, the green cigar. No, I'm just joking. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. Anyway, so if you like this content, just let me know. We're going to have much more stuff coming on this channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, follow me on X, do all that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.